Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County, Middlesex County, until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near White House Station, or near Somerville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth, Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Middlesex, Brook, Manville, Flemington, Lebanon, Millstone, Flagtown, Colonia, and Belle Mead. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 12. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 34. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 22. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 125 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The coastal waters forecast from San